Good day, gentlemen. We are a very innovative company and we produce a lot of parts for different companies like aerospace, automotive industry, medical, and oil and gas, plus home appliances. And we do this innovation every year. That's changed the profile of our companies. So this year, what I decided, why not change the profile of myself? You're gonna see the magic. So let's the magic begin.
You had any surgery before this?
I have surgery, I think, almost 35 years back.
Okay.
That time things were not so popular. So you can imagine what kind of a surgery it was.
You don't have any known allergy to any medicine or anything?
No,
No.
not really.
No, don't have any kind of medical condition or anything?
Not really. I just take thyroid medication, which is 50 mg. Guys, lot of detailing, and the job is done very professionally, very clean environment, and doctor explained me everything to make me more comfortable. I was a little nervous, but I think everything is going in the right direction. That's what I feel it. Let's see what is next going to be. Hi guys, now doctor is going to decide how young I'm going to look. I'm confident I'm going to look young. Let's wait for it. Ready to go. This is my new look. I'm joking. New look will come sooner. All pre-procedure is done and I think I'm comfortable. Let's see what's going to happen inside. Thank you. Gentlemen, day one is over, and to be honest with you, I was not feeling anything. Best part of this team is they are not in a hurry. They don't want to finish everything today. They said, take your time, come back tomorrow, and we'll do it again. Hi, good morning. This is day 2 today. But let me tell you, I have to share with you my yesterday's experience. It was excellent feeling. The team of great people, they were talking to me, joking, nice music was playing. In fact, we are talking about my past, present. Why they were talking all this? Because they wanted to change my focus or make me more comfortable. To be honest with you, I was very comfortable. I don't know when my surgery finished. Only little discomfort was there, which is like staying in a same position, but they were very cooperative. They told me, whenever you get tired, let us know, we'll change it. And you must be wondering why we are doing on day 2. Reason. Because I have done this surgery 2 times. One was 32 years ago. I know that time it was not so popular. So, I mean, job was not done properly. Then I have done another one in Greece, Athens, process called DHI, and that was my second time. But still, doctor was not able to achieve what I'm looking for. Then I discussed with Dr. Gorang. They said, your donor area is not there. It's like they will not achieve what I wanted. So then we have decided, why don't we take some part of your beard? So I was little worried that do I'm going to get some marks or kind of abnormal look. But Dr. Gorang guaranteed me, you will not see any mark. You will not realize how many hair we have taken from your beard, but at least you will have enough hair they can take it from that place, so that will cover my bald area. Good day, gentlemen. Actually, I wanted to brief you yesterday, but yesterday was a little bit tiring day because it was a long session. They have taken some hair from my beard. I was a little bit worried, as I told you earlier, but after they extract all the hair follicles from my beard, you can't feel anything. I say it's like nothing changed. In the evening, I got a little bit itchiness, but sleep was nice and comfortable. So today is my third day. Good day, gentlemen. Today is a final day. They give me a nice head wash. They clean my chest, remove my bandage, and clean my under beard also. So quite feeling relieved because of the bandage they removed. They advised me to put kind of a gel something, which will I'm going to do it like for 3-4 days. Last night was little bit discomfort and I got little bit swelling, if you can see notice on my face. But according to doctor, it will take couple of days because they have to inject lot of water in my during the hair transplant, so that water is showing on my face. That will disappear in couple of days. When they removed my bandage, I was shocked and surprised to see my head. I mean, where bald areas from starting from here till the end of my head backside. Now I have full hair. You can see it yourself. And let's wait for, I think, 3 months or 4 months, and you will see a new man. Now is the time to introduce the person who created this magic. It was a great journey. So let me introduce Dr. Gorang. I thought that we'll do surgery in 1 day or
Yes,
2 days.
yes.
But you decided
Yes.
to add another day.
Yes.
What was the reason?
So I'll just explain it on the ground.
Okay.
So when we started with this discussion, our plan was just to add some hair in the front, slightly on the side, and the crown.
Okay.
But then as we planned on the hairline marking day, we practically made it a full coverage. So instead of initially planned 4,000 odd grafts, it eventually became 5,500 plus grafts.
Wow.
Also, we already had 2 surgeries done previously.
That's what I was trying to tell you, because
Yes.
after doing 2 surgeries, still you managed to get 5,000 grams.
Yes, exactly.
Wow.
So because we had limitations from the scalp, so we took whatever we could have taken from the scalp. We took everything from this chin part of the beard. We took a bit from the facial beard, and we took a lot from the chest. So that's why we went for 3 days, because we were giving anesthesia again and again. So first it was a long process. So we did not want to tire you or tire ourselves, because then it compromises with the quality. Second, also we have to take into consideration the amount of anesthesia that we are using in one day. So one day we did the scalp, the second day we did some beard, third day again a little bit of beard and chest with topical cream anesthesia. So because of these reasons, a one-day process became a three-day process. But we did like virtually an entire full coverage.
I mean, I was shocked this morning. I thought, let me remove the cap. So I removed the cap, looking at the mirror.
Yes.
See, my God, it's like when I was in the age of 30. That time I used to have that many hair. I never imagined that this area you will be covering with the great density.
Yeah. So this was our main area, because this still had some hair, so manageable, but this was completely bald. So that was our focus area. But then eventually everything became the focus. So we went for a full
And that
coverage.
is after two surgery I have already done.
Yeah.
So there is no donor area. Doctor, great job.
Pleasure.
I really appreciate it, man. Thank you so much.
No, and the patient, you were very cooperative, because doing it on 3 consecutive days is not easy for most of our patients.
Yeah. No, because you guys are taking so much interest in me. So I say, no, I will be stupid if I'm not taking this chance, right? I don't want to go like this. No, doctor was telling me and I insist. No, I said, no, let's do it.
So I wanted this to be your last process. So I
This is my last process.
Hopefully this will be done.
And of course, that will change my profile. It's already changed.
No, we hope we have a much denser hairline, much better looks, much better. You already look good, but it's going to enhance it.
So here is the magician.
Thank you.
Doctor, thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Beg.
Appreciate that.
Thank you so much.